Talkease. Learning fun and faster than ever. What's wrong? It is not so reasonable that you are not yet confident and fluent enough in spoken English as living in 21st century. Talkease makes you learn faster than ever. Learn to speak through a unique 3 steps technique in no time. You never thought that speaking in English is just fun, did you? And you remain backbenchers due to psychological and environmental barriers. Undoubtedly, spoken power in English paves the way to success. As a language is used all over the world, whoever you are, a student, an employee, a businessman, refresh people with your confidence and fluency.
What do I do now? I am really perplexed. Shall I attend classes from B Institute or A Center?
Actually, what you need is only the mission Talkease. They follow the simplest methods to make you a confident and fluent speaker in no time. Google it, use it for free. The mission Talkease.